If you don't supply the information we ask, we can't provide you with a pre-approval. Honestly, there's not that much that isn't really needed up front. We will ask you if you had a bankruptcy, we will ask you if you have judgments or foreclosures, we'll ask you a few more financial questions, but hey, you're only asking us to write a check as a lender, to write a check for a few $100,000. So yeah, we do need some basics from you. If you've been terrified of getting pre-approved for your first-time home, guess what? It ain't that terrifying, and I'll tell you exactly what you need. Hi, I'm Ella Gurfinkel, Team Ella at Fairway Independent Mortgage, and I'm here to teach you all the ins and outs of getting the right loan for you. Most of the people I talk to, when trying to get a pre-approval, are absolutely fearful of actually taking the plunge into the process. Well, guess what? It ain't that scary. Honestly, there's not that much that isn't really needed up front, and we can usually make a pretty quick decision based on what you provide. Now, of course, garbage in, garbage out has never gone out of style. If you don't supply the information we ask, we can't provide you with a pre-approval. But I digress. What do we need? We need your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your current address, your addresses for the last 2 years if you have been at the current address less than 2. We need your employment information, as in who do you work for, how much do you make, what type of income do you derive? Are you getting paid W-2? Are you self-employed? We'll digress into self-employment later, but for now, if you're W-2, all we need is last 30 days of pay stubs, last 2 years of W-2s. In some cases, we can actually skirt around that, but for now, let's say we do need typically 2 to 4 pay stubs and 2 years W-2s. 2 months bank statements. We need to know where you bank. We need to know how much you have to source your down payment. Otherwise, we're not really prying. But hey, you're only asking us to write a check as a lender, to write a check for a few $100,000. So yeah, we do need some basics from you. We need your residency status. Are you a citizen? Are you a green card? Are you an I-10? Are you here in the States legally, or are you a non-resident? Still, you can buy a house. But those are all the questions we ask. We will ask you if you had a bankruptcy, we will ask you if you have judgments or foreclosures, we'll ask you a few more financial questions, but in a nutshell, that's all you need. Typically, once you provide all of that, 24 hours, 48 at the most, and we can supply you with your pre-approval and go over the results with you and let you know exactly what you qualify for, how much, what your payments would be, and what your options are, and typically there is usually more than one. So, if you want to know how much of a house you can afford and what your payments will be and some other details, comment below, reach out to us, and we're here to serve you in getting your American home dream fulfilled. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.